Smithy's Corner. It's really great. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. The people have spoken,
Did
Michael.
they really vote for that one?
They said, the comments, they said, I like the tire ad style one. So
Excellent.
that's
Let's
it
go with it.
for now. That's it. What are we doing?
We are doing another Smithy's Corner unboxing.
What is, pray tell, Smithy's Corner?
Smithy's Corner. So Smithy is an artist from Sydney who casts in silver.
Yep.
All sorts of creative things, and he shares some of them with us, which we highlight a couple of them every week. And we have a Smithy's Corner in the shop where you can come and view more of his artwork.
And buy them, obviously, and they're available via email and phone as well.
They are, absolutely.
But not online.
No, we're not doing them online because we can't. A lot of these are one-off pieces or only a couple of pieces. Yeah. So the logistics of actually making an advert for each one would be hard work.
All right, what do we got?
So we've got two here to highlight today. One is one that's a bit flash, so we might start with the other one.
Okay.
So we've got a tube of just basic, ordinary buttons.
Okay.
Which I think are sensational.
I love the tube. Get a tube. That's good. Are we selling these individually or as
They come
tube?
as a tube.
Okay. So you're buying 5 ounces.
Tube. Yeah,
buying 5 ounces
5
total.
ounces.
Okay. You are purchasing 5 times 1 ounce Smithy's Bullion buttons.
Yeah.
Very cool.
So you can see there it's just got a weight on it and a purity and his stamp of approval.
Beautiful.
And then that's the back.
Lovely. Okay. That's pretty easy.
Yeah.
Lovely. Done. Good.
Beautiful little button.
Lovely.
And a great way to add a bit of variety.
No, you're a beautiful little button.
Good on you.
There you go.
So that's the one. Actually, I might leave the lid off that
All
one.
right, let's do it.
And then the other one. This is
awesome.
This is the Illuminati. So we've actually done an Illuminati one of Smithy's before, but it was a plain silver, whereas this has got this incredible finish on it.
That's amazing, isn't it?
And it's a finish that Smithy's quite protective of the recipe for, which is fair enough. I mean, it's part of his tools.
Absolutely.
And it just like it comes out beautifully. It darkens the silver and gives it this rainbow finish. If I can get the light to play on it properly,
it's just cool.
And it makes that Eye of Horus stand out like nothing else.
Yep, that's very, very cool indeed. Let's see how close we can get. That's just spectacular.
So I can get my fingers out the way
That's
so you can
primo Smithy's.
Yeah.
Can we turn it over, please?
We certainly can. And then on the other side, I love how it brings those swirls out.
The light is good in here. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that, and then you can different depending on the light that you're in. You're getting different colors coming through. That's really cool. 5 troy ounces, 999 FS for fine silver Smithy's Bullion. This is pre-new logo.
It is. I haven't actually seen his new logo yet.
No,
I don't even know if he's got it finished.
Oh, yeah, but look at the beautiful swirling in this as well. Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah, it is.
Can I buy this? Or?
Yes, absolutely.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if you want.
Okay, cool. All right. Well,
someone else beats you to it,
you better get in quick, people, because I might consider buying this myself. This is lovely.
If you're going to buy it, you need to display it somewhere. This one's too nice to leave in the.
Oh, you know what I can start doing? I can be like the generous benefactor of like a museum where they purchase it and then you just have a Joe's display thing. Is it? There you go, tax deductible. Oh, nice.
Oh, good fun.
Up here for thinking.
Yeah.
All right. So what's the deal?
What's the deal? So you can buy any of Smithy's Bullion stuff that we've got on display here.
Yep.
So like I said, we highlight a couple of them, but we've got plenty more in store.
Yeah.
So by phone, 1300 84 84 10. Send us in your purchasing needs via sales@bullionnow.com.au, or you can drop by the store and have a look at what we've got on display.
First come, first served.
Absolutely, and we're not going to take 1,000,001 photos of it and send it out to you.
That's it.
That's what this video is for, so have a look on what there is and the different angles that we've taken just there and decide if you want it or not.
Beautiful. All right, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff as I try and get my words out. And of course, that's it from me.
And from me too.
I'll see you soon.
See ya.